Yeah, this is Jerry's Tech. Alright, in today's video I want to show you guys how to test an induction motor to be sure if it's in good working condition, and also to know if there is any head faults on the motor, if there is any linkage between the coil, the working coil, and the body of the motor, in which that may result to electric shock. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, I'll start with this one. Firstly, please put your multimeter to continuity setting, and also test your probe to be sure. See the reading? I have resistance of 0.3 ohms, 0.4 ohms. So that is, for me, it's normal because it's an old meter, and also the probe may create some resistance, or the contact point. Alright, so I start with this. This motor was wired in star connection. So firstly, you take out these linkages, take them out. Okay, then if you look very closely, you see here written V1, V2, U1, U2, W1, W2. Those are the sequence in which you have to test. As you test V1 and V2, then you test U1 and U2, then you test W1 and W2. Okay, and again, please note, when you are testing, you make sure you probe the wire itself. This wire that is coming from the coil, probe in the wire itself, not the terminals. Okay, just probe here in order to be sure that there is a contact between the probe and the cable itself. Okay, so I start now. V1, V2. I have no reading in my multimeter. V1, V2, no reading. So I move to U1, U2. No reading whatsoever. W1, W2. See? I have a reading of 3.4 ohms. So what this tells me is that it's out of the three coils, it's only one that is working. That means this motor is defective. Okay, so let's check this one. Already I removed the contact, the linkage between which made the motor start. So now I test directly. V1, V2, you can see I have 19.2 ohms, 19.2 ohms. U1, U2, U2, 19.6 ohms. W1, W2, 19.4 ohms. So that means the windings in this motor is okay, and you can see the readings are similar and within range, so there is no problem with this coil. So again, what you have to test again to be sure that there is no issue between the motor, there is no bridge, there is no continuity between the coils, is you pick any of this maybe W1, you pick and you run the tests between W1 and V2, W1 and U2, W1 and W2. It's only W2 that should give you the reading. So Also here, same thing, you test. Sorry. You test to be sure. Same thing with this, you test to be sure that you have no reading with others. And again, when doing that, you can as well touch to the ground to be sure that there is no continuity, there is no leakage from that coil to the ground. That way. Okay, I think we are done. This tells you that this motor is okay. This one is not okay. In event in which you have overheating, breaker tripping, and you test this motor and you are sure that everything is okay with the coils, please inspect your bearing, inspect the rotation of the motor. If it's stiff, it would be that your bearing is bad, or there is a fan here, there's a cooling fan here, maybe the fan is obstructed, so that may lead to overheating and you have your breaker tripping more often. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and remain blessed. Share, subscribe, and please comment if you have any questions. If you require more information, please, I'm always here to assist. Thank you.